Hi, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do the invisible root method to do my twists. And I know, before anyone says, I know the thumbnail is probably a bit different from how you're seeing me now, and that's because I look too awful to even take a picture, and that's the only decent picture I have with my twists in. And obviously they're a little bit longer, so they will take a little bit more time, but this literally took me like an hour and a half to do, and I have quite a lot of hair. So yeah, this is a really nice method, and as I said, it looks really natural. I've had it in for like 2 weeks now, and they look super natural. And you can depend how much like hair you want to put per twist, but I don't put as much in because I wanted to keep my natural length and sort of thickness. But yeah, like this is my go-to style. I can literally wake up and know that I don't have to rush around or be anxious to try and finish my hair because it is literally so quick to do. But yeah, it's a lovely process to start, and sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of a break from the faux locks, and I'll leave a tutorial for my faux locks up here, the card somewhere and down in the description box. But this is kind of where I got the idea to do my faux locks from, and how it looks sort of like natural because of its invisible root method. But yeah, if you want to see how I got on and how I do it, then just keep watching.
Alright, so sorry for my appearance, but I'm just in comfy clothing doing this. But yeah, this is my hair detangled, and as you can see, the shrinkage is real. I'm just splitting it into two equal parts here, just not to be perfect. And I'm just taking the like Marley twist hair and smoothing it down, making sure there's no tangles. And this is unnecessary, I just do this anyway. I just sort of like wind it at the top around my finger. As I said, it's unnecessary, it just helps me doing it. And wind it at the top of my finger, and then place that hair in between the parting of where you're going to twist the hair, and then you're going to align one piece with one bit of the hair, smooth it down, and align the other piece with the other hair. As you can see, the right pieces with the right hair section, and so on. And then you're just going to twist the hair, make sure the hair is right at the root of the hair, and you're going to twist. I'm sitting here and we're twisting that first piece anti-clockwise, so I'm twisting it to my left just a few times, just twist it like that. And then I'm going to take the other piece of hair and twist it in the same direction that I twisted the other one in as well, a few times. And then I'm going to twist my actual hair, or twist the hair together in the opposite direction. As you can see here, like I got some hair from mixed up with the other twist, but it's okay, it comes out easily. But yeah, you want to twist it in the opposite direction to where you're actually going to two-strand twist the hair together. But yeah, I've done that in real time just to show you how quick and easy it is, and I'm being quite slow just to show the twisting in more detail, but I'll show you again in a minute. So again, I'm making sure my hair is fully moisturised and detangled before I actually start twisting the hair. And here again, I've just split it into two equal parts. Any white bits you can see isn't dandruff or anything, it's just the residue of the moisturiser. And here I'm showing you how I'm putting the most middle part of the braiding hair right at the root. Well, I'm just moving it out again. I'm just showing you here that this is the way that I twist my hair. I put my right arm over my left arm, so I twist in a clockwise direction. And this is me just showing you that I'm putting the braided hair at the root of the twist, of the parting, sorry, and holding the two parts in on each hand and twisting my hair in the opposite anti-clockwise direction there, and doing the same with the other part of the twist, twisting them in that, and then putting my right hand over my left hand and twisting in the opposite direction. I hope that makes sense. But if you do want to see it more in detail, then just sort of like put the speed of the video here on YouTube down to like 0.5 or something to see it in slow motion. But it's just easy as that. And as you can see, it looks super natural. It hasn't got any like bulky bits at the root either. And it doesn't fall out at all whatsoever. It's just really simple and seamless to do.
Alright, that is it for the tutorial. As I said, it's going to be quite quick, quite to the point basically. And yeah, I hope it helps anybody. I personally use Marley hair because it sort of fits my 4C to 4Z natural hair texture really well. But yeah, it's a really cool protective style to keep your hair like moisturized and stuff like that. Definitely say moisturize your hair a lot before you actually do this. Maybe do a deep condition before, and I typically leave this in for like about a month. Anything after that, my hair starts getting a bit like not tangled, but I don't know. I just like leave it for about a month and that's it. I'll probably have a break and then go back to like my faux lock style. But yeah, that is it for the video. Um, I upload 3 times a week minimum on the channel: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for sure, and sometimes on the weekend as well. Yeah, that's it for my video. If you liked it, thank you for watching. Please like and share if it helped you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.